Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Kumar, Faculty of Management Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on roles of institution in the development of SMEs in India. Let's first begin with District Industries Centers DIC. In India, District Industries Center performs an important role in entrepreneurial development. DICs provide complete assistance and support to entrepreneurs to start and develop the industries. District Industries Center provide full assistance to the entrepreneurs who are going to start the business on their own and in their regional places. These centers provide service and support to small entrepreneurs under a single roof at both pre and post investments. The DIC's program was started on May 1st in the year of 1978 with a view to providing integrated administrative framework at the district level for promotion of small scale industries in rural areas. Providing complete assistance and support to entrepreneurs in multi-regions are the ultimate aims of DICs. Objectives of District Industries Centers. The following are the main objectives of DIC: to identify the new entrepreneurs and providing assistance to them regarding their own startups, to provide financial and other facilities to smaller blocks, to raise the complete efforts for industrialization at district level, to enhance the rural industrialization and also the development of handicrafts, to reach economic equality in multiple areas of the district, to allow various government schemes to the new entrepreneurs, to de-size the regional imbalance of development, to make all the necessary facilities to come under one roof. Now, let us discuss about another institution, that is Small Industries Development Corporation SIDCO. In many state governments, for the promotion of small scale industries, a separate corporation has been set up which is known as Small Industries Development Corporation. They undertake all kinds of activities for the promotion of small scale industries, right from the stage of installation to the stage of commencing production. These corporations help small scale industries in many ways. The following are the main objectives of SIDCO: to stimulate the growth of industries in small scale sector, to provide infrastructure facilities like roads, drainage, electricity, water supply, etc. is one of the primary objective of SIDCO. To promote industrial estates which will provide industrial sheds of different sizes with all basic infrastructure facilities. To provide technical assistance through training facilities to the entrepreneurs, and to promote skilled labor through the setting up of industrial training institutes. So, I hope you must have understood the topic, the role of institution in development of small scale industries in India quite well. Thank you very much.